Who will survive in the next 5 years? Will AI replace programmers? Will software engineers lose jobs? Or will developers become more powerful than ever before? Because today AI can write code, fix bugs, build websites, generate apps, and even create full software in that too in minutes. So the real question now arises is not that can AI code. The real question is what happens to developers right now. And in this video, I will show you the truth nobody is talking about. So let's start. So first, we will discuss the reality of AI. So let's be honest, AI is already changing software development. So tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and Anthropic Claude can now generate codes, debug programs, explain algorithms, create APIs, write SQL queries, and even build entire projects. So earlier, developers spent hours writing boilerplate code. Now AI does that in seconds. So that means one developer with AI can do the work of 3 to 5 developers or even more than that. And yes, this is one reason why tech companies are reducing hiring for repetitive coding roles. Second, we will discuss what AI cannot replace. But here's the important part. AI is powerful, but AI still cannot think like a real engineer. AI can generate code, but it cannot fully understand business problems, user psychology, product strategy, real world decision making, and or even system level thinking like humans. For example, a company doesn't just need someone who writes code, they need someone who can solve their problem, communicate with teams, design scalable system, and understand customers, and also make smart decisions. And that's where real developers survives. Because in the future, companies will not pay for coding alone, they will pay for problem solving. Next, we will discuss the death of traditional coding. So the truth is, the old style of software development is slowly dying. The era of just learn syntax and get a job is ending because AI can already generate basic website, CRUD apps, simple scripts, front-end components, and standard backend logic. So if someone only knows copy-paste coding, AI becomes a threat. But if someone understands architecture, AI systems, automations, cloud, product thinking, and business impact, then AI becomes a superpower. Next, we will discuss that who will win. So who will survive? Not the developers who competes against AI, the developers who learns to use AI. Future developers will work differently. So instead of writing every line manually, they will guide AI, review AI output, automate workflows, build AI agents, and focus on innovation. So the future role is shifting from coder to AI powered problem solver. And honestly, this creates a huge opportunity because the developers who adapt early can become 10x more productive than others. We will come to final message. AI is not completely replacing developers, but AI is replacing developers who refuse to evolve. Means like this is the biggest shift the tech industry has ever seen. The winners of the future will be people who combine coding with AI, learn continuously, build real world solutions, and focus on solving problems instead of only writing syntax. So don't fear AI, learn it, use it, and master it. Because the future does not belong to developers alone and it does not belong to AI alone. The future belongs to developers who work with AI. Next, we will come to conclusion part. If you want more videos on AI tools, future tech, AI careers, automation, and how to stay ahead in the AI era, then subscribe to the channel and follow for more. And if you want AI training or one-to-one AI consulting or anything related to AI like career path and all, I have provided my mail ID in the description and also in the comment box. So you can mail me on that. Thank you.